Okay, there we go. Booyah, we were not working and now we're working. Should have checked the audio before I went live. Hey. No? That's all I got, man. Those are my dances. Okay, trying to pop out some chatty chats. Let's see. We need the old Twitch chats. Where is it? I don't know. Everyone's out talking about AI, and there's gonna be all these groups about AI. I'm doing my own thing, baby. Let's do the own thing. Okay. Alright, well, we got audio working, so that's good. I'm going to pop out the old chat. And then we're gonna do some oop. Oop, oop. Oop-a-loop. Where's Twitch chat? How do I pop that bad boy out? Yeah, what else happened to my Twitch chat that I put in here? Man, I tell ya. Refresh, baby. You go there. Alright. Okay, oh, I still need Twitch chat. What am I doing with myself? What am I doing with my life? Oh, I popped it out. I lost it. There it is. Okay, chat's out. Late night. Oop. Happening. Sound working. I think we're all good. We did it. Did everyone have a good weekend? Hopefully you relaxed and didn't do anything important. That's what I did. Although, built a cabinet. That was fun. Well, I didn't build it, actually. That's a lie. I built it the other weekend. I put it in. I installed a cabinet today. So that was fun. What else did I do? Oh, kids have so much stuff. Dance, soccer, everything. The weekends are busy. I also am pretty sure I ate myself into a pizza coma on Saturday because I was tired. Boston Pizza Saturdays, baby. Do them every Saturday with my in-laws. After soccer, we do dance, soccer, Boston Pizza, and then sometimes a movie. Oh, I'm still playing music. I'm playing the volume there. I gotta mute it. I don't want you. Chat, get out of here. Get out of here, man. I don't want to hear you. What are you doing, man? Okay. All right. So for anybody that's here, we're just continuing on with the boot.dev course. I did not do any yesterday, but luckily I had a streak freeze. So we're good to go. Speaking of, let's get set up for chest points. Got to get those chest points. All right, score. Cool. All right, we got music. We've got me. You may or may not be out there looking for something fun to watch, not realizing that this is the place to be. I'm also rocking a sweet green and yellow combo for some reason. Fashion is my passion, in case you were wondering. It is not. I need a haircut. I need a beard trim. But you know what? Can't let that stuff stop you. You just gotta get out and do the old streams, right? Come on. Why even bother? Okay. It's nighttime here, so kids are sleeping. Wife is working. I'm pretending to do work by coming down here and streaming. Life's pretty good. I hope everyone had a good weekend. I mean, it was busy, but it was good. It was good. Oh, I forgot to grab some Diet Coke. I mean, Diet Coke, 10:30 at night? 10:40, 10:50. Oh my goodness. What time is it? Nobody even knows. I had one problem that I wanted to solve today that I didn't do that maybe I'll do after stream. Or if any of you geniuses know how to fix it, you can tell me. But for some reason, SSH into my PC was working fine. It would SSH, it was into PowerShell, it was perfect, no problem. For some reason, it stopped after an update, I assume. It's enabled. I can use remote desktop, so I can still access my computer. but for some reason SSH is not working. I've checked the keys. I've checked that it is set for public key authentication. Done all the checks that I can think of. I even enlisted Senior AI to see if it would help me. But nothing. It's still, every time I go to log in, it just says pub key authorization error. So like, it's gotta be something with the key, but I just can't figure it out. I did look, there was like something about if you have a key in, if you're trying to log into like the admin terminal or PowerShell, you're supposed to put your keys in a different folder. So I have that. They're in both folders, but it's still not working. I don't know. I got nothing. Oh man, hold on. I just gotta respond to Kenny Wheeler. Oh, Twitter, what are you doing? Skill issue. Also, I'm a bag of skill issues. LOL. I LOL all my tweets because nobody else does. Oh man, if you all knew how much fun I have by myself, you would, well, you'd probably think I was an insane person, which is fair. It's fair. Okay, I don't think anybody's here right now. Just me, baby. Boom, let's do it. That's fine. Okay. So, we are... Oh, I don't need this playing. That's silly. Don't need that playing. It's not. That's good. We can go there. We got the tunage. Looking good. Feeling good. Late night. Oop. Anyways. Okay. I'm just going to chill out for a little bit. See if anybody decides to join in. Just for a minute. While I'm doing it, I'm going to draw a circle monster, a little mushroom monster. Ready? Boop, 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 boop. Boop, 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 boop. You guys can't see this, so if you are tuning in right now and I'm heads down not paying attention to you, it's because I'm drawing this little marshmallow man, and he's gonna be wonderful, and you all just have to wait. And I know that's what you love doing, waiting. It's your favorite thing. I get it. Alright. Should we put on another post? Should we put on another post? Be like, hey, come watch me, man. Come watch me, bros. Don't be foolish. Come check me out. Check me out on the Flippy Flip. Alright. You guys are going to show you my Marshmallow Man real soon. Marshmallow Man does whatever a marshmallow can. I'm losing my mind all the time. Marshmallow Man. Oh yeah. Is he worried? Nobody knows. I'm gonna give him a snaggle. Snaggletooth. Oh yeah. Perfect. Now he kind of looks like a baby. Here you go. Marshmallow Man. With a snaggletooth, it's Marshmallow Man. Snaggletooth and tongue. What's he doing? Marshmallow Man. Okay, one thing I am going to show people who happen to pay attention to this later is the power of a little bit of cross-hatching. Alright, here. You see this, right? You see this. It's like, you know, whatever. It was a quick sketch, who cares? But check this out, right? We're going to add just a little bit of cross-hatching. And just wait. You are going to see it looks so much cooler when you add in some hatching. Well, I said cross-hatching, but I'm really actually just adding in some hatching and some cross-hatching. But like, it's these little things that make such a difference. Anyways, when you see this, you're going to be like, wait, what? That's the same drawing, man? And it's like, yeah, it 100% is. I did this. And then you can pull the old internet move and you can just steal it and be like, no, I did this. And that's fine. Oh, I think I blew it. I went a little too hard on one. Ah, it's okay. It's okay. Still, look at the difference. Huh? It's like, what? Professional. And then check this out. One more little difference. Add a little shadow. Showing the foot raise. Oh, guys. Guys. Like, look at this. We just went from cheap little sketch to sellable artwork. Cross-hatching, baby. Anyways. Okay, let's do this. I don't have all night. Can't wait for you people who are planning on going to work tomorrow and need to get sleep. Sorry. I don't know what that was. Losing the mind. Always, all the time. What's going on in the news that anyone cares about? Nothing? Tariffs? Everything's about to get expensive? Stock market's gonna crash tomorrow morning? Who thinks that? Just me? Just me. Oh yeah, here we go. We're in this. We're doing this. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna reshare this bad boy. Repost. Repost it. It's so funny when you're like when you don't want to what am I trying to say? Oh god. When you don't want to do something that I was gonna say and I can't remember. I got distracted by Twitter. Oh well. Oh, okay. Now I remember. When you don't like create stuff, which I don't do a lot, obviously. Stream randomly, write stuff randomly, have made some things. But like when you don't do it a lot and you just kind of like lurk and like don't comment and don't really like people's posts and da 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 da. It's really weird when you're on the opposite side and like you see people who like your post and then like not take another action, like comment, that you would be like, why aren't you commenting? Just comment, talk to me. I need you to talk to me. But when you're on the other side, it's totally fair. You're just like, I'm gonna like this and help this person out. It's just a weird, you know, one of those weird things when you get on the other side of it. Okay, let's get started. I don't know if anyone's gonna join us, and that's okay. But if anyone does, come on in. The water is fine. Well, apparently 30 people are viewing this on, or have viewed it on Twitter. That's kind of cool. Thanks, Twitter peeps. It's weird when people don't chat though, because then you don't really know. You don't know what's happening. It's like, is anybody here? Did anybody show up? Am I a real person? You know, you just don't know. Okay. 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 Here we go, baby. Let's start. I should have brought some water, and I didn't. But we're not doing that long today. Oh, I wrecked my back. Oh, God. Okay. Constructors or initializers. You are not a real person. You are correct. I am not a real person. That's fair. I have such a desire to like type back in chat, which, I mean, obviously you can, but I can also just talk to you with my voice. But you're right. I am not a real person. Okay. Well, thanks for coming in. We're going to do some boot.dev OOP and see what we can do here. We are on constructors. All right. Constructors or initializers. It's rare in the real world to see a class that defines properties the way we've been doing it, such as class, soldier, name, Legolas, armor, 2, number of weapons, 2. It's more practical to use a constructor. In Python, if you name a method in it, oh, I think I read this actually last time because it's been the same questions. Anyways, that's the constructor, and it's called when a new object is created. So with a constructor, the code would look like this: class, soldier, and then you define the function in it, self.name, Legolas, self.armor, 2, self.num, weapons, 2. Now we can make the starting armor and number of weapons configurable with some parameters. Class soldier, define the blah, blah, blah. Self, name. Oh, I get so bored reading code. Probably why I'm so bad at it. Self, but I get bored reading everything. Apparently people say that should be ADHD undiagnosed, baby. Anyways, define. Oh, yeah, I'm losing my train of thought. Oh yeah, okay. init self name armor number weapons self dot name equals name self dot armor equals armor self dot number weapons equals number weapons, and then soldier. Okay, I don't need to read all this. You guys can read it. Assignment: add a constructor to our wall class. It should take depth, height, and width as parameters in that order. Oh, I already did this one. Such an idiot. That's why this is orange. Too much time farting around, not enough time paying attention. But so I already did it. I made it properly with the constructor. Good job, me. Cheers. Move on to the next one. Okay. Constructor quiz. Oh, sweet. Who doesn't love a good constructor quiz? Okay, there's the code. You can all read it. In Python, what is the name of the constructor method? We just read this. Init. Perfect. Gain some points. Moving on. Multiple objects. Multiple objects. An object is an instance of a class. Let's look at what that means. In object-oriented programming, an instance is a concrete occurrence of any object. Instance is synonymous with object as they are each a particular value. Instance emphasizes the distinct identity of the object. The creation of an instance is called instantiation. Instantiation? Yes? Instantiation. I'm going to go with that. That sounds right. Wikipedia as the source. So for our wall class, I can create 3 different instances of the class, or in other words, I can create 3 separate objects, or 3 different walls is another way to look at it. Yes. Wall Maria gets that wall. Wall Rose gets that wall. Wall Cena gets that wall. In the example above, the variables are instances of the wall type. Assignment: take a look at the brawler class and the fight function provided. In the main function, create 4 new brawlers with the following stats. Name: Aragorn, speed 4, strength 4. Gimli, Legolas, Frodo, they all get speed and strength. Call fight twice. The first fight should be Aragorn versus Gimli. The second will be Legolas versus Frodo. Okay, so first of all, this is the main. We already have the brawler and we already have fight. So we need to create 4 new ones. So that means we need to do Aragorn. I'm just going to name them because why not? Equals brawler. Oops. Brawler. Speed and strength. And name 4. And name is Aragorn. Okay. And then we're going to do Gimli equals brawler. Oop. OMG. Do I even know how to type? Probably not. 2, 7. Gimli. Oh, hello, Gimli. Legolas. Brawler. 7. Ooh, he's tough. Legolas. And last but not least, Sir Frodo Baggins equals... Oh, he's a weakling. Poor little Frodo. Frodo. Okay, and then we need to call the fight twice. So we're going to do fight. And the first one is Aragorn versus Gimli. And then we're going to call fight again. Legolas. Legolas. Such a good name. And Frodo. Okay, that should work. Let's do the old testy test. That seems right. Let's submit. Nailed it. Crushed it. Absolutely pure dominating on this stuff. Here, I'm going to pull this up so you can see. Right over the head. Oh, okay. There we go. Next lesson. How many? Let's see. We're in chapter 1. How many more of these? I think we're going to get these done today. Objects quiz, archers, class validation, class variables, I mean. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know. What do you think? 5 lessons? Doesn't seem too wild. Every time I say that, this is when I fail big time and it takes forever. But I feel good about this. I feel good. Let's do it. Okay. Which of the following is true? An object is an instance of a class. A method is an instance of a function. A function is an instance of a method. A class is an instance of an object. An object is an instance of a class. Yes? Yeah. Nailed it, baby. I really like doing this. Gosh, this is fun. Okay. Okay, complete the archer class. Constructors. The constructor should take the following... Oh, here. The constructor should take the following parameters in order and set them as properties. Name, health, number of arrows, get shot method. Complete the get shot method. It operates on the current archer instance. If the current archer has health left, remove 1 health from the current archer. Then, if the archer's health is 0, raise the exception is dead, where is the archer's name. Shoot method. Finish the shoot method. It takes an archer instance as the target input. If the shooter has no arrows list, raise the exception. Can't shoot. Otherwise, remove an arrow from the shooter and print 1 shoots 2, where 1 is the shooter's name and 2 is the name of the targeted archer. Next, call the target's get shot method. Oh man, I spoke too soon. Oh. Oh no. This is so many steps of all the stuff that I've been learning that I haven't been paying attention to. Okay. The constructor should take the following parameters in order and set them as properties. Name, health, arrows. Okay. So we need to do self.name equals name, self.health equals health, self.num arrows equals num arrows. Okay, so that's the first step. It takes all of them. Then the get shot method. It operates on the current archer instance. If the current archer has health left, remove 1 health from the current archer. Then if the archer's health is 0, raise the exception is dead. Okay. So this is where I need to remember how to raise exceptions. So that's try, right? Try. And then we're going to try to remove 1 health. So we're going to try to do self.health minus equals 1. Oh, but I also need to do the if. I need to make sure that it's checking if it's over 0. So it's if self.health is greater than... Okay, then if the archer's health is 0, so okay, yeah, greater than 0 should work. Then self.health minus 1. And then if not, we need to accept. Oh, I don't remember how to do this. How do I do exceptions? How? I know I could go back and look. Let's see if we can figure this out. Okay, except. Then we need to do. Oh, how do I do this? How do you raise exceptions? I need to do... Oh, I cannot remember. How do you do it? How do you do it, friends? I don't remember. Okay, well, I don't remember how to do it. So we're just going to have to play around. We're going to have to try, because why? I don't want to go look. Except, I just don't remember how exceptions go. It's something like, I know you can do, like, okay, I'm just going to try this. Except self dot, no, can I just do self dot, oh, should I do like self dot name? Yeah, because it's the name. Self dot name, I know this isn't right, is dead. I know that's not right. What happens if I run this? Ah! Where is it expecting? Oh, on here? Yeah, see, I know you're just supposed to do like accept. And then, is it this? We'll just try this. Return self.name. No. Oh, it also needs to be a string, right? So, self.name is dead. Okay, let's just see. Does that work? Okay, it started working. So I just didn't do the arrows thing, which is fine because I didn't even touch the shoot yet. Is that right? Is that how accept works? Eek. I don't remember. But we're going to try it. We're going to see if we can work through this without cheating. It's not cheating, but without trying to get the answer. I just want to see what happens. Okay. Finish the shoot method. It takes an archer instance as the target input. If the shooter has no arrows left, raise the exception. Can't shoot. Where does the shooter's name? Okay. So it's going to be the same thing. Try. And then we're going to do if self dot number of arrows. Finish the shoot method. It takes an archer instance as the target. If the shooter has no, so I'm the shooter, right? I believe so. So self num dot arrows is greater than 0. Then we're going to do self dot number of arrows minus equals 1, and we're going to print one shoots 2. So self dot name shoots target dot name, right? And then if that doesn't work, we do the except. I know that that's not right. I know that's not written properly. I'm pretty sure it's not. I feel like I'm messing something up. Maybe I don't have to return the exception. Is that the whole thing? Anyways, I'm going to find this out. We're going to try this first. Hopefully we can get through. Then we're going to look at the solution and see how we could have fixed it. Because that's how I like to do it, baby. That's the way to go. Wait, did Ken Wheeler just put his real phone number on Twitter? Oh my god. No way is that his real phone number. That's amazing if it is. Ken, you are a baller, dude. I gotta message him. Oh, I have to find out. No way is this your actual number. I'm streaming. Yo, what's up? A raider. Hey, thanks, man. Thanks for the raid. See, I think this is my first raid. I think it's the first time I've ever been raided. Thanks so much. What's up? We're just doing some boot.dev learning OOP. So I've just been in order to, learn more about coding and also just get more do some more streaming. I started to Dinosaur from X. Oh, nice. What's up, man? How's it going? Thanks for joining me. I got distracted because it looked like Ken Wheeler just put his real phone number up on X. And I just had to see if it was actually him. Because that's amazing to me. So, anyways. Thanks for joining. I know, I'm going to text it. I'm going to text him. I can't call him right now. It's too late. All right. We texted. If it comes through, I'll let you know. I couldn't resist. It was impossible not to. All right. We're almost done this lesson. I'm about to find out if I blew it. Oh, chat is working now. Okay. That's in a horrible spot, though. I did want to try and figure out a place to put... I always like that people have their chat streaming, but I don't have any good windows. Dope. We can link up at React Miami. Oh, my God, dude. I'm trying so hard to figure out how to get to React. It's so outside my realm of any reasonable excuse I can figure out to get down there. I'm trying. I need a really quick new job in tech. And then I could be like, oh, I have to go. It's for work. Yeah, vacation. I know, that would be good. Man, I don't think my tax write-off. I do like tax write-off. Oh, shit. It is actually him. Oh, God. This is amazing. so funny. Bring the kids. I know that would be. I mean, that would be the ideal. Bringing the kids and like taking everyone to react would be hilarious and awesome. It's up there. It's in the air. All right. It's in the air. We're trying. I promise. Okay, I'm just gonna get rid of this Twitch chat, by the way, because I was trying to find a good spot for it. But anyways, all right. Let's see if we did this right. Oh, we need to finish this last bit. We need to return the. We need to return the one shoots thing. Oh yeah. Oh no. Can't shoot. We need to return self. Whoop. I don't know if this is right, but I'm gonna go with it. Self.name. Can't shoot. Okay, let's see. If we run this, do we pass all the tests? Oh, fail. Uh-oh. Oh, dang. We did something wrong. What did we do wrong here? For a check can't shoot, actual no exception rate. I see, it's because I'm not raising exceptions, right? Because I don't remember how to do it. I gotta go back. But that's like a whole different lesson I gotta go back to. I knew that that's what I didn't know, but I was pretty confident that what I was screwing up was the exception. But I think the rest of it is working. No? Although that didn't get rid of his health. Oh no, I did do his health. Oh, I'm totally messing this up. Okay, first off, let's go back and remember how to do exceptions because I don't remember how to do them and I need that. It's important. Okay, coming on back. Let's see. Where were exceptions? Errors and exceptions. Okay. How accept exception. That's right. In JS, it's throw exception. Might be like that Python. It's similar. It's this. It's this accept exception and then you print. Or you do the accept exception as E. But since I'm setting my own exception, it's just the print. Yeah, Python. I mean, it's Python. Sorry, I'm going to be very distracted because of these text messages. Make sure you catch it on bird cam if they come by. Dude, that's wild. I can't believe that he would put his phone number out. Like, he is definitely a big enough account that I don't think I would put my phone number. Yeah, hey, man. Thank you so much for coming by, honestly, and definitely lurk and come on by anytime. I'm trying to get into this every day again. I had like 2 weeks off of just ridiculousness. I'm trying. So hopefully we'll be back to doing it daily. So come on by and thank you for swinging by. Appreciate it. I'm going to get back to remembering how to do exceptions so that I can finish this course. We're going to get it. Raising your own exceptions. That's what I need. Okay. Oh, it's just raise. Oh. Duh, it's not accept. I need to raise it. So silly. So silly. That's right. It's raise. Okay, let's go back. We got this. Ah, foolish. Foolish me. So it's not this. It's raise. And then you do... raise that... right? And then you can do accept exception as E. Oops. And print E is fine. But I also realize I messed this up too. I need to do one more thing. And I just don't remember what it was. Let me go back into it. Come on, exceptions. We're going to get you. I need my own exceptions. What do you do? Raise exception, and then you put it in here. Oh, right. And then it'll print it as the accept if it comes out. That's what you need to do. That's so you raise it as an exception. You put what it is. So you're not actually printing it here. You are doing this. Or, oh, do I still need to do the... Oh, see, I should pay more attention when I'm looking this up. But at least I know where to look. You know, it's a good start. It's not bad. Not bad, not bad. Oh, shit. What a guy. Alright. Let's go back to exceptions. We're going to look one more time because I can't slow down and read the whole thing the first time. All right. Okay, so it's just that. But if I have the... Yeah, okay. I think I got it. I think I do still have... Because I'm putting in a variable, I do have to use the F string. Anyways, so we're going to do that. I think this is right. And then we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to accept exception. And then we're going to, oh no, raise. And then we accept exception as E and print E. Try that. Oh, shoot. Oh, accept exception as E. Oh dang. No, wait, is that wrong? Did I mess that up? Is it like, oops, is it that? Yes, there we go. Okay, we're still failing, but it's because we're doing something else stupid. Okay, Robin has 2 health and 2 arrows. Sheriff has 2 health and 2 arrows. Robin shoots Sheriff. Robin can't shoot. Well, he should be able to shoot. I need to do some prints. I need to figure out what's happening here. So if the health is greater than 1, okay, if he gets shot, health is greater than 0, then -1. And if he's out of health, then we raise this and he's dead. Is it because it's a greater than 0? Do I need greater than or equal to 0? Is that all it is? Nope, that's not right. Actual result. Yeah, it's not minusing. It's not subtracting their... Oh! Do I need to add that? No. Okay. Alright. Alright. We're gonna get this. We're gonna get this. Legend. Alright, I'm streaming, learning OOP right now. What a guy. Alright. Anyways, let's solve this. What am I doing wrong? So, you get shot. It checks if you have health. Yeah, it can't be greater than or equal to 0. It's stupid. It has to be greater than. Okay? So, if you have health, then lose a health. And if you don't have health, then raise the exception. Oh, because I spelled exception wrong. That helps. Doi. Did I spell it wrong there too? Let's try that again. Ah! Why aren't you raising exceptions? Why? Why? What did I mess up? Okay. Sheriff shoots Robin. I'm getting that part right. Sheriff can't shoot. But why is the health not going down? And it's saying he's have 1 arrows. So something's wrong with when it's taking it out. It's greater than 0. Okay, I just want to try something. If I do greater than -1, will it give me the right answer? No. So, I mean, it's still not giving me the right answer. What am I doing wrong, man? What am I doing wrong? Other than being a goddamn fool. Self-num arrows -=1. That is right. It is minusing an arrow. The health is not going down. Did I spell this wrong? If you get shot, if it's over 0, health goes down by 1. Robin shoots Sheriff. Something is wrong. something is incorrect here, friends. And I don't know what it is. But we will figure this out. Whoa, go away. Okay, let's see here. It's not raising the exception. So it's something wrong with here. I'm just going to do some print statements. Print, yes. I just want to know, is that coming through? Okay, so that's working. Print, no. This is really bad debugging. That's not helpful at all. Okay, so the health is not working. Why? Self.health equals health. That's right. If they get shot, if self.health is greater than 0. So yeah, something's wrong here. Why is this not working? Okay, here, we're gonna do the stupid approach. And we're just gonna do this. As I just want to see health go down. No, it's not going down. So something is wrong. And I don't know why. What's going on in the tests? I mean, I don't think it's the lesson, but... Archer.1. Because something's wrong here. Something about the health is wrong. And I don't know what it is. We got to figure this out. I remember when I said, oh, there's not that many left. We can definitely get through this tonight. It'll be so easy. It's not going to be a problem at all. I knew it. I knew as soon as I said that was going to be my downfall. Dang it. Dang it. Ah, okay. Why is this one working? Let's try this again. Okay, let's just try this. If self.health is greater... No, I don't even understand. Like, why is this not working? King Richard has 1 health and 1 arrow. Prince John has 2 health and 1 arrow. King Richard shoots Prince John, and then he can't shoot anymore, which is fine. Okay, so the arrows all worked in my tests. It was just something to do with health. Health is not working for some reason. Okay, so if self.health is greater than 0, then self.health minus equals 1. That should work. Raise the exception. Exception. Self.name is dead. That works. Let's try it again. Nope. It's not removing the health. It is not removing the health, and I don't know why. I don't know why, friends. So I'm doing something wrong. Okay, what if I just do this? I just want to try this. Print shot triggered. Is the shot being triggered? Like, it should be. Okay. So, is this just not even working? Oh. I need to... What's up, man? What's up, Duncan? How you doing? I'm losing my mind because I'm being an idiot. I know why, though. I think I just figured it out. Oh my gosh. Because I need to call get shot. Me, the coder. It's not already set up. Duh. So if self.health is greater than 0, everything that I was doing was right other than being an idiot. Self.health minus equals 1. Okay. Exceptions are raising. Perfect. Now, if you get shot, I need to remove an arrow, and I need to call the shot on the target, right? Call the target's get shot method. Oh, it was in the instructions, and I'm just an idiot. Okay, then I need to call get shot target. So stupid. Ah! But it feels good. I got it now. I got it. This is gonna work. Oh, what? Damn it. Why is that not working? Wait, why are exceptions not being raised? What did I mess up there? Raise exception. I gotta go back to exceptions. Son of a gun. Let's go back to exceptions. How you been, Duncan? Living the dream? Did you have a good weekend? I need to relearn exceptions because I'm a fool. Okay, raising your own exceptions. I did this. Do I need to raise exception that? So that's fine. And then accept exception as E. Did I not do that? Working on this beta. Nice, man. How's it coming along? You getting close to finishing? Accept exception as E. Is that not right? What am I doing? I should just open this up in another tab. Why do I keep going back to this and having to do the whole thing? Doing quarterly reporting for the side project. Oh, dang. Dude, I am so impressed with people and how much stuff they get done. I spent all weekend on kids stuff. And it was great. I mean, don't get me wrong. It's fun, but I don't know how people do it. Everyone else in the Slack channel, so now I just got to keep pushing more features. Yeah, nice, dude. That's awesome. My goal is I want to get a little bit further down boot.dev and then use stream time to start building some projects. Got a few ideas. Just need to do them, as always. Okay, let's go back to this raising exceptions. I raise it, exception. I did that. And then I accept exception as E. And then I print it. I did that. So why isn't it being raised? Why? As a rule of thumb, you do not want to catch exceptions you raise in the same function block. For example, raise exception invalid metal bar. Instead, the call should handle a potential error by wrapping the function call with a try except block. Huh? Say what? As a rule of thumb, within the same function block. For example, raise except. Why is this? I don't even understand. Oh, I see. Craft sword. Accept exception is E. Okay. I already did this one. Obviously. Oh my gosh, this is so... Yeah, no kids yet. Yeah, I will say, take advantage of it. I mean, having kids is incredible and 100% worth it. But... Oh, I know why. I think I just figured it out. But it is a ton of time. But it's good time. Like, it's so hard to talk about it and not... And, like, there's no reason to sound down on it because it's amazing. I think I need to do this, though. Can't shoot. And then print... F... Then do self.name E. Will that work? Eek. Oh, what did I do? Oh, oops. I'm gonna try that. Does that work? No. Why are my exceptions not being raised? Yeah, I should have done more programming when I was younger, but I'm an idiot and did other things. And could never stick with it. I have not done... I mean, so I kind of get into this quite a bit now, but my coding life and experience is very random. Like, I have been fiddling around with stuff since as long as I could remember, but I just never stuck with it. So I'd always like do a little thing and like learn a whole bunch of stuff and then completely forget about it and then have to go back and relearn everything. And so like over the last 25 years I have coded a bunch of things, but I'm always like starting from scratch and learning how to do it. I mean, obviously there's a little bit of knowledge gain over the years, but like for the most part, it's restarting. And then so I just decided to do boot.dev for fun, and it starts with, I think I actually picked it because it goes into learning Go, and I think that'd be interesting to learn. But I was like, I'm gonna go through this start to finish, try and do every course, and so right now it's on OOP, so that's what we're starting with. But yeah, I mean, so my coding has been all over the map. Like, I've started an Xcloud server in my house that I coded up myself. I've coded some games in Lua on the Pico 8 fantasy console. I've done some like, C# code for a random project that I got to work on. Like, all sorts of weird things, but it's always just been random, and I've just never stuck with it. So part of doing boot.dev is that attempt to start it. Hyperpage is written in backend's written in Go. Oh, that's awesome. Dude, I know. I got your invite, and I 100% need to check it out. So I'm hoping to get some time tomorrow because I want to play with it. It looks awesome, by the way. Like, when you said what it did, and I don't want to, like, butcher it because I know I could just look it up in the message again. But, like, I was like, oh, this is awesome. This would save a huge amount of time. And as somebody who does marketing and is reasonably digitally savvy, I feel like this is something that I could use all the time. Like, it really feels like something that would be useful for me with, like, trying to put stuff out for new products and stuff. So anyways, I 100% will check it out. It's awesome, and good for you for getting to a beta. I mean, that's huge. And the fact that you did it through a health thread and got a bunch of people to try it out is even better. That makes it even cooler. At least in my book. Alright. While I'm thinking, I gotta see if I can figure this out. Okay. I can do the get shot. The only thing that's not happening is the exceptions aren't being raised, and I don't know why. So I need to figure that out. What if I just do... Oh, maybe I just do this. This is so dumb. Is this like a boot.dev thing? Where if I just do this, it's gonna work? I wonder. Let's try this. Oh no, expect, or finally block. So it does want the accept. Yeah, I got lucky. Right place, right time on that. Hard to get people to agree to help you out sometimes. Gotta force them via health thread. Yeah, exactly. Hey, listen, you gotta use the health thread to your benefit, or else what's the point of being involved? It's way too intense. I do always love, like, getting in and seeing all of the notifications when I open up when a health thread's going on, and it's just insanity. But I do love it. I think it said something about, like, you want to do your exception way down here. No, that doesn't make sense. That's stupid. Why am I being silly? So except exception as E. That's right. Print E. Like, that should be it. Except exception as E. Print E. There's no... I had to block it, bro. My wife was getting angry about all the notice. That's so funny. There's a reason that I run my phone with almost all of my notifications muted. Twitter being one of the main ones. I just like, no, I cannot have it. I cannot use it. And if I get notifications all the time, it would drive everyone in the world that I know completely wild. Okay, I feel like I need to go back and read these instructions because I'm blowing it here. If they have 0 health, remove 1. What? Okay, this is dumb. What if it is it equals? Like, will that do it? Oh, oops. Oh no, if it no, that's right. It can't be that because then it doesn't do it. So it has to be greater than 0. What about greater than or equals? We're gonna try that again. We're gonna do this again, even though I think this is wrong. I just like playing around. This is how I code, which is why I'm terrible at it. I mean, I am terrible because I don't do it a lot, but I 100% just tippity tap and try a bunch of random things willy-nilly, brute force my way through it. What are we getting caught on? Okay, so here, I'll show you. So what's supposed to happen is let's see, what can you see? If we're working on classes and then setting up constructors and getting methods to work inside the constructor. So what's supposed to happen is it wants me to do a try and accept. And so it wants to, the get shot method is, if it has health, then you remove a health. If it doesn't have health, then you raise the exception that they're dead. And then the shoot method is checking, it takes a target and the archer that's shooting, checks to make sure it has arrows, removes an arrow, says that it shot the person, and then is supposed to remove a health from the person that got shot. But for some reason, the exceptions aren't being raised, and I don't know why, because I feel like I wrote them properly. So I'm going to go back again. I write Python for the day job. Oh, nice. Yeah, I could definitely cheat. Well, not even cheating. The one cool thing about boot.dev is they have this thing. You can't see it on my screen, but it's called Boots, and it's like the little AI assistant. But it's really well done in that it doesn't tell you the answer, but it's like, okay, let's see. This is what's happening in the problem. Have you thought about this? And I really like it because it helps you without being annoying, or without like just giving you the answer. So I feel like I've already done all these ones, so I'm just gonna look here. So accept exception as E, return E. Yeah, we don't want that. I did the exception. We're not doing an index error because we're just doing our own exception. Okay, let's go back to raising your own exceptions, because this is where it is. This is what I'm just trying to basically copy. So I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So I have the try. It's checking. Lane said he was working hard to make it good. He used to live about half an hour for me, so we grabbed dinner a couple times. Oh, that's awesome. Sub for Christmas, actually, but haven't played with it before. It's really good. Like, it's I really like it. I mean, it's a good way to do it. It feels straightforward and fun. I've enjoyed going through it so far, and like I put my own restrictions on myself of like, I want to try and figure it out, and if there's a way that I can figure out how to do it without using boots, then I will, but I also waste a ton of time. Could the issue be that you're not returning inside the if statement? Ooh, I hadn't thought about that. Maybe. Let's give that a go. Duncan acting like boots over here. But what am I returning? Am I returning the health? The new health? Is that what I'm doing? We're gonna try it. I'm trusting you. I think you're trying to give me a nice clue. Oh, but wait, how would I return here? Duncan, you just confused me more. Maybe nothing? I don't know. Like, do you just do return? Like this? Is that what you're trying to say? Oh, like this? Like that? Like that? Is this what you're saying? Maybe? Yes, sir? Okay, let's try it. Oh, it didn't like that either. Here. I can show you. Can you see that? Yeah, there we go. So this is when it runs the test. Oh, name get shot not defined. What? Hold on. Name get shot is not defined. What did I do? Get shot target. Name. Oh, why is that not working? Oh my gosh. Oh. Do I need to... I want to give you tips. I know you do. I'm sure you do. I know when you know how to do this. It's like, I know I'm missing something stupid. And I know I can figure it out. Or I know there's like, oh, this is so dumb. But, okay. So, let's try this again. Do I need to return... Is it a regular function or does it live somewhere else? it lives within the class. It's a method, right? I'm still learning all the terminology. So they both are methods inside the archer class. So, oh, no, I was thinking that I had something in my head and I totally don't. Oh my gosh. Okay. I might have to use boots. How do you access properties on a class? With the dot operator? Right? Is that what it's called? Is it the dot operator? Is that what you call it? Do I need to do target dot get shot? Like that? Is that what I need to do? Oh! Oh! Hold on. That worked. We're moving in the right direction. Okay. Alright. We passed the first one, which is the straightforward one. But we still haven't raised our exceptions properly. So we're getting there. That was good. That was good tips. Good tips, Duncan. You got me. You got me a little bit further. I had to do it this way. Target dot get shot. And that makes sense. So thank you. That was awesome. Okay. So that removed the health. That was my issue to begin with. That was the first step. Now. Hurrah. Yeah, I feel really good about that. Thank you. Those were good tips too. I appreciate it. I appreciate you not giving me the answer and walking me through it. Because I definitely, if you would have just given me the answer, I 100% would have cheated. Okay, now because I just can't help myself. If I get rid of this, will that still work? Or do you have to have those? This is just where, like, I can't help but play. Okay, so for what it's worth, and I don't know what this means, but I just wanted to see if it would still work, and it did. Somebody will have to explain that to me later about why it works and why it doesn't work. Or why you don't need them versus why you might need them. Okay, but we're still not raising our exception. Why? Okay, so Friar Tuck, I'm going through the... Oh, you can't see it. I'm going to pull it up. I'm going through the test. So Friar Tuck has 1 health and 0 arrows. Prince John has 1 health and 0 arrows. Friar Tuck can't shoot. Well, wait. That's good. That's what I wanted to do. Friar Tuck can't shoot. Prince John can't shoot. So what I'm... Okay, so hold on. It's doing what I want it to do. It's just not... Do I need to return this? Is that what you're trying to get at? Is this what I need to do? Do I need to return this E instead of printing this E because it wants me to... No. Damn it. What does it want me to do? I need to just return this exception. I need the exception. Damn it. Okay. This is one of those things where, like, I know what needs to happen, sort of. I do not know how to make it happen. I am interested why that worked. Okay. Why? How can I test if this is being raised? Is there a way to test that? Like, just to check it? I guess I could print it? Hold on, we're going back. We're going back into this original introduction to errors. Why is error handling such an annoying thing? Like, come on. Okay, I can raise it. That's fine. But don't catch your own exceptions. Yeah, that's fine. I didn't do that. So, I raised it. That seems accurate. And then I need to print it. Why? think you're... Oh, is that what I'm doing? Maybe... Oh, yeah, I guess I am catching my own exceptions. I think you... Yeah. But how do... Now I don't remember how to not do it. Do I just raise it? No, because when I tried to do that, when I did just raise it, then it got mad at me. Let me try this again. We're going back. Because when I just did this, I feel like it got mad at me and said that I needed something else in there. Let's try. Yeah. It needs an accept or a finally block. So I need something. I need to have an accept somewhere. Right? But what do I need it to do? Yeah. Do I just get rid of try? But I need try, right? Don't I? Doesn't it want me to do try? Error, that's... So wait. Can I just do... Wait. No, I can't just get rid of try, can I? Can I do that? That doesn't make sense, right? That's silly. Let's be silly. Like, if I do this, that's not going to work, is it? Oh, snap. No, it didn't work. Oh, wait, it did. Actual exception. Print. Oh, but it got the wrong person. Why did it do that? Give it a try. Nice. Okay, now that I figured out you don't need try, which I will need to look up later because I don't understand why you don't need try. Again, that's just me being stupid, but this is probably so agonizing to watch, which is why I love doing this, to be honest with you. Too many people are too good at coding and they do all of their streaming and it's like, whatever, dude, you already know what you're doing. This is garbage. You're too good. This is real. This is this is me actually trying to do this and just being like, I'm not good at this at all. We're actually trying to raise the errors. Try prevents it from being raised. Ah, thank you. That's a good explanation and that makes sense to me. Okay, so now the only thing I messed up is why did it do the wrong name? Okay, first off, Now I think I need your return in here, don't I? Because now I failed the first one. Yes. Okay, so that's good. Failed past the second one. That's good. King Richard is dead. No exception raised. Raise exception. Name can't shoot. Return. Raise exception. Self.name is dead. Okay. So we're almost there. Has health of 0. Raise exception. Did I spell exception right? Self.name can't shoot. Self.name is dead. That's what I want. Is it because... Let's see. Okay, we're almost there. This is the only one we got wrong. So King Richard had 1 health and 1 arrow. Prince John has 2 health and 1 arrow. Okay. King Richard shoots Prince John. So now King Richard should have 0 arrows. And Prince John should have 1 health and 1 arrow. Prince John shoots King Richard. King Richard has 0 health and 0 arrows. Prince John has 1 health and 0 arrows. King Richard is dead, but my exception wasn't raised. So him being dead is not being raised, which is this one. So what is wrong? If his health... Oh. Is it because... Okay, hold on. So the target, yeah, that's him getting shot, so that's fine. Just checking his health and exception self.name. Now think about the flow of your got shot function. When should you check whether the person is dead? Good question. You should check if they are dead first. Right? Oh, but that doesn't... But how's that going to raise an exception? Can you just do... Can you do that? No. I can't raise an exception in an if statement, can I? Like, I can't put it here, can it? Would you check before or after they got shot? You would check before they got shot, that if they were dead. So, are you saying we should do it here? And do if target... Does this make sense? Is greater than 0? Then... No. Get them shot. Oh, you can raise an exception anywhere. Okay, hold on then. Let me just try that, because I don't know if it's right, but it was my path of thinking, so I'm going to try and do that first. So first we're going to do this. We're just going to do this. If it's health, then we're going to raise the exception here. And whoop, whoop. We're going to do that. And so then if it's not 0, then we're going to do self.health minus equals 1. Is that right? Did I get it? No, damn it. I was hoping that was gonna get it. Okay, we're on the path. We're moving. It is still removing their health though, so that's good. So that's working. I'll walk through it as I see it. 1, arrow gets shot. Person is not dead at this point. 2, person takes some damage. 3, check if they're dead. Right? So would you check? It says that they shoot, so they're shooting. So this is where they get shot. And then the person... Okay, so then the person's checking to get shot. And so if they are... Would it just be... Oh, do I need to do this first? Whoops. Do I need to remove it first? And then... Oh, shit. I ruined myself. That's okay. Self.health minus equals 1. And then if it's 0, raise the exception. Do I need that? Is that right? We did it. Yes. I don't know how long it would have taken me to get there without you, Duncan. So thank you. It's the logic. It was the logic of my thinking that was wrong. I don't know why I couldn't figure that out. It was not making sense to me. So thank you. Thank you very much. Oh, and it is... I did not necessarily recognize that you could raise exceptions anywhere. So that's a good lesson to learn, and I will keep that in mind for future. And... Okay, so now we're going to do the submit, and it's going to run all the other tests, because there's usually more tests on submit, and let's make sure that I figured it out. Yeah! We did it. We did it. Dude, thank you, Duncan. That was awesome. And if you don't teach people already, thank you very much for how you taught me. That was exactly the type of teaching that I need, where it was very much you not giving me the answer, and I'm sure that was excruciating. But I appreciate it because it makes a big difference, and I feel like I learned a lot from that, and we got through it. So yeah, it really is hard early on. The hard part for me is there's so many times where like I think that I'm thinking it through properly and not recognizing that, like, oh no, I'm missing something. Like I'm missing, like right there, that I didn't think through the idea of like, no, the target gets shot and then it removes the health, then checks if they're alive or dead, because that was just, it didn't even cross my mind. I was just like, they get shot, check and see if they have more health or not, and then remove one. But then it was missing the important part of checking if they were actually at 0 after that. Okay. So then, just because I like to see, what is the solution difference? Here, hold on. What did they have on here? So, okay, so they did, and the issue is you're learning syntax and the logic flow at the same time and things get mixed up. Yeah, that is fair. That is fair. Syntax and logic flow at the same time can be tough. Oh, okay, so I didn't need... So I could have done the same thing up here. I just like to move it around. I like to make it match. Even though it seems like it deletes it after a while. I do just have this I just like to make it match. So you could also do the arrows in the same way. So it equals this. You can raise the exception. And then you can print. So, okay. And I'm assuming this is just like a better, like a easier to read flow of things. Is that kind of why this was being chosen? Because like obviously the way I did it, I'm not saying was like great, but it obviously worked. And I do find that's always interesting of like how you can make a bunch of stuff work, but then it's like, oh, there are better ways to do it. And so I assume that this written this way is just it's a more readable way to do it. And I guess the logic makes more sense. Because you're checking if they have any arrows first. And if they don't, raise the exception, and then you don't bother going through everything else. Which, like, I was sort of doing with the if statement, but just in a more obnoxious way. So, yeah, personally probably would have done an if else. Interesting. Also, I have Nightbot. I'm sorry. I don't know why it's blocking out so many of the words that you're using. I need to... I messed around on Nightbot for, like, one day, and then I forgot and left it on, and then it, like, does a whole bunch of weird shit. Oh, interesting, though. So it's doing a check here. Huh. Interesting. I guess I didn't actually have the check that you had health first before it tried to remove one. Anywhere, did I? When I did my updated one. But that's okay. Okay, we got it. Now we got it. And like I said, I just like it to match just so I can see why they did it, and also just to take that extra second of playing around with it. Okay, what time is it? Oh gosh, it's midnight. Not what I was expecting. I was like, Duncan, before you got on, it was like, there were like 4 lessons left, I think, of this chapter. And I was feeling pretty good. I was like getting through them, and then I was like, oh, 4 lessons. I'll get that done today. And as soon as I said that, I started this Archer's one, and then clearly spent 25 minutes trying to figure it out. So, anyways, it is good. And if you, if you ever, I've been highly recommending boot.dev because, like I said, obviously you were here helping me walk through it, and if you weren't, and I really got frustrated, I could just use Boots because it's awesome. Like, it really works well. At getting you through the problem in a very similar way to the way you just did it, without like giving you the answer, but just pushing your thinking to be like, are you sure you're thinking about this properly? So I really like that. All right, as much as I wanted to finish this tonight, and I am having a lot of fun, I do have to get up and take care of kids and go to work tomorrow. So I think I'm gonna call it. I'm going to try and start streaming tomorrow a little earlier. My goal is to start streaming at like 8:45 after I put the kids down, and then stream for like try to want to get in 2 hours. So if I could actually start at 8:45 and get done by 11, that would be ideal. But that was awesome. Thank you. And thanks for swinging by. And I had a lot of fun. I hope watching me get through that was interesting, and thank you. Yes, keep going. Python Pro in no time. Can't wait. It's gonna be good. And then I can't wait to do Go. Like I said, I'm really excited to get into Go, but I'm glad I'm doing these basics, learning these little rules, and like just helping with that logical thinking. Yeah, that's good. I really appreciate it, and I can't wait to check out Hyperpage. I said that right? Hyperpage? I just don't want to say the name wrong and then be an idiot. But I am really excited to check out what you're doing because it sounded awesome. So, all right, swing by anytime. Hyperpage, yeah. Hey, if this channel ever blows up, then maybe people will go back and watch the old videos and they'll be like, oh shit, that guy was talking about Hyperpage way back when. Now Hyperpage is like meta. Hey, dream big. All right, Duncan, I appreciate the time, man. Yeah, I'll be back on tomorrow if you want to swing by again. I might need your help, so feel free anytime. And And yeah, I'll talk to y'all soon. Oh, I'm gonna do a raid if you don't mind. I mean, obviously you can do whatever you want, but I always forget, and I know that that's like a thing you should do. And so I'm gonna raid, and who should we raid? Let's find someone. I'd just like to try and remember to do this these days. Who are people that I'm following? Anybody that I'm following that's doing it? Oh, why not? We can. We're gonna raid Gigglypuff. Let's do it. Okay. Thanks everyone. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna start this little raid, and I'm gonna get out of here. And have a good night. We'll talk soon. Oh, she's be right back. That's a perfect time to raid someone. We're gonna start it while they're be right back in. All right. Night, everybody. I hope you have a wonderful week, by the way. Enjoy it. We are raiding. I'm sorry, it's just to be right back. But I'm out.